Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So if your Samsung phone too complicated, then let me show you how to use it easily. Okay, simply go to settings, tap on display. Scroll down, here you can see the option easy mode. Okay, so you can see easy mode make text and on-screen items appear larger. It also increases touch and hold delay to prevent accidental actions and provide a high contrast keyboard for better readability. Simply enable this option. After enable this option also, you can see the interface is changed. Easy mode make navigation simpler and easier to understand. It provides a more user-friendly experience with a larger text and icons. So simply in this way, if your Samsung phone too complicated, we can fix the issue. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.